Welcome to Fabricville. Today we're learning 5 essential hand stitches. Fast and easy. First, the straight stitch. Just push the needle in and out with even spaces. It's great for temporary seams, gathering fabric, or holding things in place before machine sewing. Not very strong, but super useful. Next, the back stitch. This one's strong and durable, ideal for seams or repairs. Go one stitch forward, then bring the needle back into the end of the last stitch. It creates a solid, continuous line, almost like machine stitching. Now the ladder stitch, ideal for closing up a hole. Pinch the fabric edges together, stitch straight across, picking up a tiny bit of fabric from each fold. As you go, it forms rungs like a ladder. Pull the thread gently and the seam disappears. Now the blanket stitch. I started by making a tiny anchor stitch on the back to hold my thread in place. Then I bring the needle to the front, just above the edge. I insert the needle from front to back, and before pulling the thread tight, I pass it under the loop from right to left so it wraps the edge. I poke the needle a bit to the right, then repeat the same motion. Insert from the front, catch the loop, and pull, and stitch along the edge. Now we're moving on from the blanket stitch to a hand overlock stitch. It's a similar idea. We're still wrapping the edge, but this time, instead of looping the thread under the needle, I pass the needle between the two threads of the previous stitch inside the loop. This wraps tightly around the fabric edge, creating a clean, diagonal finish. Keep your stitches even and snug to prevent fraying. And that wraps up our 5 essential hand stitches. Practice these and you'll be sewing like a pro in no time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and happy stitching!